my channel, period. Start that over. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. We about to boil some water and baking soda to take out the color in the previous wig. Well, I'm about to show y'all the wig. The color was gray and purple. For me, I'll probably insert some clips like right now. Whatever. Anyways, so I'm gonna be boiling water and adding some baking soda inside. Alright, so yep, that's that pot. Ew. So yeah. You're gonna see me put this pot on the stove for me. Yep, that heavy ass pot had mad water in it. Look at me trying to turn on the stove, looking cool and stuff. You know. yeah. So start to boil the water. And here I am with the previous wig. I know it's looking crazy. And I'm dipping it into the water with this baking soda. Wow. I almost forgot what I wanted to say. So yeah. Dipping it. As you can see right here, you know, the color's coming out and everything. Yep. The purple's coming out. The gray, not so much, but the purple's coming out. Just slapping that wig up in there. Let it sit in there. So this is my first time doing, you know, first test run doing the baking soda and water technique. Here I go making my second batch. Feel me? I did this about like 3 to 4 times. It's my second batch with the baking soda. This batch is still the baking soda and water. I think I put soap in there. See how like the color came out? Some of the color, not even all. Just some. Here we go, dipping it up again. I think I put, yeah. This time I put dish soap, like regular dish soap, into the baking soda and the boiling water, because it helps take out the color too. So the first test run I just did straight baking soda and water. This time I did baking soda and dish soap. Get it? Okay. Hey. So yeah. See the water? Look at that. First of all, I sound mad computerized. I don't even think that's the word. But I sound mad muffled and like old and everything. It's because I'm recording from my laptop. But look at the wig. It's fucking silver. There's no more purple. Look at that. Period. Damn. Look at that. Shitting me? Are you shitting me? Anyways. Yep. Look at that. Fucking silver. No more purple. No more. So I'm using this silver shampoo now in this third batch with the baking soda and dish soap. So the first time I did it, I did baking soda and water. The second time I did baking soda, dish soap. This third time I'm using purple shampoo, dish soap, and baking soda and boiling water. So just remember that. I advise for you guys to just do the first two. Oh my god, I'm not even making any sense. First two. I mean, the second time and the third time I did the batch. So the baking soda and the dish soap and the baking soda, dish soap, and the purple shampoo, because it's gonna help it tone out the hair, especially if you're using 613 hair to take out the color. So yeah, look at me. Yup. See, that purple shampoo is gonna tone that silverness out. It's gonna be back to blonde. Matter of fact, it's not even gonna be blonde no more. After I was done with this, it turned out to be like some Snow White hair. Like, it wasn't that yellowish blonde that you usually get. It was like that white blonde. I'm about to show y'all in the next, like, probably insert some photos. As you can see, the hair is like Snow White blonde, but if you want to see how I got this color, stay tuned for my next video. Okay, bye.